Alright, so mobile skins. Commodity which is recently growing in India, but still a faction of people still don't understand why you need to be paying 600, 700 or more for a piece of paper which you're going to be sticking on the back of your skin to customize it. And in that thought, I went about to see if there is a budget alternative for this too in a place like India where budget is everything, and eventually I did find one. And this video is all about it. Yo, what's up guys, this is Sudeep ST here and welcome back to another video, and without any further ado, let's get the intro rolling and let's get started. Okay, so before we get started, we need to talk about the brand and the price. The brand is Wrapcart Skins and they were kind enough to send me units for review purposes, but this does not change any of my frank opinions on it. I'll be reviewing it without any bias. And the second point is the price, and this comes at a price of rupees 250. And you guys need to understand that this is less than half the price of Capes India skins, or even lesser the price than any other skin you can buy from premium brands such as Capes India or D brand. So yeah, with that kept in mind, we'll get started, and the first thing we need to talk about is the unboxing experience. Now this is particularly not in box, but it's a simple unboxing experience. It comes inside a pouch, a plastic pouch, and then you have the brand's marketing stuff inside it, and other than that you get your skin. I got 3 units from Wrapcart, so I have 3. And other than all of this, I have a wet wipe inside it and a dry wipe inside it. Now this will be there for you too, and this is then alternative for the microfiber cloth which is given by most of the brands like D brand or Capes India. So yeah, it's understandable for the price. And apart from all of this, you have a small pamphlet of paper which states that you can look out for videos in the internet to make sure that you apply your skin perfectly on your phone. That's pretty much the overall experience in terms of the packaging. And with that done, let's get into the review of the skin itself. Now, reviewing the skin itself is going to be pretty simple. I'm going to be talking about 3 things. 1, the overall print clarity. 2, the fit. And 3 is where I talk about the compromises you're going to make if you're going to get an ultra budget skin. So yeah, the first thing is the overall print clarity. And before I got these skins, I was actually kind of skeptical if this would be a proper quality for the price I'm buying it at. And after I got it, I should say that I'm actually pretty impressed. It's pretty good for the price. I mean, the clarity is good. This doesn't have any kind of cheap quality in terms of the overall print clarity, and I pretty much liked it. So yeah, I don't have anything to complain about the clarity. Both on the skins which I bought from my MIA3 and my MIA2, I didn't have any problems. The MIA3 was Avengers themed skin, which is kind of a unique skin to this brand, and also the other skin I bought was a Night Owl skin, which is also a unique thing to this brand. So both of them didn't have any kind of overall clarity issues in terms of print, so you don't need to worry about that for the price you're paying. With that done, we need to talk about the fit, and in terms of fit, I can say that this is 90% accurate. I mean, fit is subjective for any person who's buying a skin, because not everyone applies it perfectly from the first time itself or even after some times. So I'm gonna say this is 90% accurate. The holes and the ports which needs to be there are there, but I'm pretty sure there's going to be some kind of problem for you if you're a first timer who's going to be applying this. So let's not talk about fit as a whole, but overall it was pretty great. The fit is great for me. It was nice. And talking about fit, the overall in-hand feel was also pretty great. It didn't feel rough or any sorts. It was actually good. It was smooth. The overall in-hand feel was great, and it didn't feel like I had a cheap piece of paper that put on the back instead of a skin kind of stuff. So yeah, overall the fit and the in-hand feel was great. Now with that done, that's pretty much states the overall package of the skin itself. It's pretty good for the price. But the third point, what are you compromising on if you're buying a skin of the price of rupees 250? It's pretty much simple. The skins you buy above the price of 600 to 700 or more, they are made out of the formula of a 3M vinyl paper or 3M vinyl sticker based skins. Now these are particularly skins or the stickers which are not meant to leave any residues when you take it away from the surface you put it on. So in that case, if you buy those skins, be it any texture, any type of finish on the other half, the part where you stick it to your phone, you're not going to be left with any gum residue on your phone. But in this case, these are not 3M based stickers. These are just normal applying stickers. So you're going to be left with some gum residue, and some in the case, if you have a glass back panel like the MIA3 like I didn't have any problem. So I was okay with that. But on the other hand, on my MIA2, I was left with a considerable amount of actual residue itself. So I had to put in some work to get it off with some alcohol based solution. So yeah, that is the main compromise over here. You're going to be left with residue on the phone after you peel the skin from a very long time. And for me personally, I actually remove the skin because I tend to use my phone without any skins or cases, and in that case is where I found this one also. I had to peel out the MIA2 to also to check if this was actually present there too. So yeah, that's where you mainly sacrifice on. The overall sticking quality is where everything goes down to in terms of the price cut you're having. But yeah, if you ask me, this is actually a good deal for the price of rupees 250. These are ultra budget, and I would say that these are personally for those people who just want to get started with skins, as I told you in the intro of the video. Or if you're a person who just want to try out skins and then go for the other options, then you can go for these skins. I mean, you can get 2 skins for your same device with the price of rupees 250. That's what I'm trying to say. This is ultra budget, and if you want that, go for the skin. So overall, pretty great experience. I did like it, and I would recommend it for you if you would want to get it under this budget. And yeah, that was it. That's the review. I talked everything about this, and it's a simple video, yes. So yeah, that is it. This is the video. If you did like the content, make sure you subscribe to the channel and like this video. If you didn't like this video, do vote it down and tell me why you didn't in the comment section. That's going to be helping me a lot. And also comment what you thought about the video. That's going to be helping the channel reach more in terms of the YouTube algorithm. And other than this, if you do want to follow me for constant updates about the channel and connect with me, follow me on my social handles on Instagram and Twitter. You can connect with me. And that's pretty much it. A short review of the WrapGuard skins. And until I meet you in the next one, this is Sudeep ST here, signing out. Peace out.